Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the anti-shudder valve or the throttle valve on the BMW 320d E90. The anti-shudder valve is located on the left side of the engine, just over there, the silver one, just there. This valve is held by 3 bolts, an electrical connector, and also we need to remove the air intake hose. In order to get a better view of the anti-shudder valve, I'm going to remove the cabin filter housing and this cover underneath. In your case you don't have to do it, you might be able to do it without removing it, but just for the view I'm going to remove it. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now I have a better view of the anti-shudder valve. First I'm going to remove the air intake hose. It's held by this metal clip that we need to pull up and just pull out the intake hose. Next I'm going to remove the air intake hose on the bottom. It's again held by one metal clip which we need to pull out, and then we can take out the air intake hose. Next I'm going to remove the electrical connector for the anti-shudder valve. It's a very tight space to remove it. I'm using long pliers to press on both tabs so that I can take out the connector. If it doesn't work with long pliers, you might want to use a screwdriver, which will help you push the tabs in and take out the electrical connector. The anti-shudder valve is held by 3 bolts, 2 on top and 1 on the bottom. I'll show them to you now. These are the 2 bolts on top and there is 1 on the bottom, right there. First I'll start by removing the lower bolt. Next I'm going to remove the two top bolts. Once the three bolts are removed, I can pull out the anti-shudder off. It might be stuck a little bit, but it will come out eventually. That's a closer view of the anti-shudder off. Now I'm going to put the anti-shudder valve back in its place. I'm going to put it back on, then tighten the three bolts and put everything else in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.